show you how I use these funnels. So I just put it here, and I want to refill my bottle with oil. So easy. No splashes, no leaking, very easy. And another good thing about these funnels is that they're dishwasher safe. So after I use it, I'll just put it in the dishwasher and it will be totally fine. So yeah, and they also have like little holes for hanging it. You can hang it in the kitchen or put it somewhere. They take just a little space. So I really enjoy this one.
Introducing the ultimate fridge deodorizer. Sleek, stylish, and compact. Crafted with premium stainless steel. Powered by advanced CH-cut decomposition technology. Fits seamlessly anywhere in your fridge and elsewhere. Works for 10 years without needing any replacements. Freshness you can rely on.